A sore throat can be a pesky and uncomfortable experience, often signaling the onset of a cold or an infection. However, before reaching for over-the-counter medications, there are several simple and effective home remedies that can help soothe the discomfort and promote healing. Let's explore some engaging and practical solutions to ease that scratchy throat. 1. Stay hydrated. One of the most important steps in soothing a sore throat is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps keep your throat moist and prevents further irritation. Warm beverages, such as herbal teas or warm water with honey and lemon, can be especially soothing. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger not only provide warmth, but also have anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in recovery. 2. Gargle with salt water. A classic remedy for a sore throat is gargling with warm salt water. This simple mixture can help reduce swelling and kill bacteria. To make your gargle, dissolve about half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle several times a day for the best results. Just remember not to swallow the salt water. 3. Honey and lemon. Combining honey and lemon is a delicious way to soothe a sore throat. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C and can help break up mucus. Mix a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in warm water, and sip it slowly. This soothing drink not only alleviates throat pain but also boosts your immune system. 4. Humidify the air. Dry air can irritate a sore throat even more. Using a humidifier in your room can add moisture to the air, helping to keep your throat from drying out. If you don't have a humidifier, taking a warm shower and inhaling the steam can also provide relief. You'll be amazed at how much more comfortable you feel with a little extra humidity. 5. Rest your voice when suffering from a sore throat. It's essential to give your vocal cords a break. Rest your voice as much as possible. Avoid shouting or whispering, as both can strain your throat. Instead, communicate gently and at a normal volume to help prevent further irritation. 6. Warm and cold foods. What you eat can also impact your throat's discomfort. Warm, soothing foods like broths, soups, and oatmeal can be comforting. On the other hand, cold treats like ice cream or popsicles can numb the pain and provide immediate relief. Experiment with both warm and cold options to see what feels best for you. 7. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs can also provide relief for a sore throat. Slippery elm and licorice root are known for their soothing properties and can be found in lozenge or tea form. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying new herbal remedies, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. 8. Avoid irritants during your recovery. Steer clear of irritants that can worsen your sore throat. This includes smoke, strong odors, and pollutants. Opt for a clean, well-ventilated environment to help your throat heal more quickly. Conclusion: a sore throat can be uncomfortable, but many simple home remedies can help alleviate the pain and discomfort. From staying hydrated to using natural ingredients like honey and lemon, these remedies provide